Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead, and today we're going to take you through the March update of the tiny house. So this has been going for a while, but I feel like this month has been the biggest jump we've made so far. I am excited to take you guys inside and show you everything we got done, so come along. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see is all the drywall is finished, primed, and painted in the entry room here. Now, we went with the gray we talked about that Missy was talking about. I think you made a good choice on the color, honey.
I super like it.
Now, we have our lights in, but they're not wired. So, that's a start. Now, as we make our way over here, honey, and we show them the rest of the lights are in, what else do you have completed down here?
Finished all of my grouting. So this wall is totally finished now.
Now, what else did we do to this wall to give it a different look?
We sprayed it with
Sealer
to give it a wet look.
So it is a full gloss sealer. Now you can see that we did not go crazy cleaning all the grout off of all the stones. We wanted to give it a really rustic look. We did not want it perfect, which was intentional. But I think it makes the overall look really nice from a distance. You're going to put some more coats on the
mantle, yes.
Mantle, right?
Yeah, at least 2 or 3 more coats.
All right.
But you know what would make this look even better?
What's that?
Whenever I get a fire in it.
She's just wanting me to get that done. All right, so we've started putting outlet covers on because the paint is done in here. Now I know the walls look kind of funny here and here, but we actually have been laying out for our
cabinets.
That's right. So we got a Lazy Susan here and we got a base cabinet there. The rest of the cabinets are up at the house in storage because there's not that much room to work. So we're getting our bases worked out, getting all of our figuring done on the refrigerator, which is going to be really small.
They were really small.
Yep. But I mean, the walls came out pretty good, I think, overall. I'm not a drywall guy, so we'll just say it looks okay. And then our lights, actually, I really like how those came out because they allow for the perfect amount of light in here, and it is not dark, and we don't even have all the bulbs in. The white definitely reflects it down. The look is pretty nice.
I love it.
So, we also, honey, what's under your feet?
We have put in the flooring.
That's right. So we got our vinyl plank laminate flooring in. It's all waterproof.
We originally was going to do a gray, but then at the last minute I changed my mind.
Well, something changed your mind also was the price tag on this stuff.
Yeah, but with the trim and stuff, I think it's going to look much better with this color.
Yeah, this is more of a wood look. We were going to go with more like a whitewash gray, but with all of our wood just being clear coated with spar, this is going to match a lot better, I think. And honestly, we ended up like $137 a square foot for this stuff. So we got all of our bathrooms set up here, and then, honey, what'd we do to the concrete right there?
So we sealed the concrete again.
Yep.
Lots of things going to be going on with that in the future.
Yep.
And we also got the boards in around for the pan.
Now, this was not my original plan. This is just what I had. This is actually plastic pallet strapping board. So it had a groove down the middle where a piece of banding would go, but it's basically just a board that's made out of plastic, like a 2x4 made out of plastic. And I drilled through it and drilled down in, and then when we do the first coat, which is going to be a silicone base coat, it will go all the way up over the edge as well as fill in those holes to make it one complete pan. It's kind of hard to explain, but as we do the bathroom out, we'll make sure we document it so everybody can understand. We don't have our lights in up here just because we ran out of bulbs. But we also are doing full-on construction style, no switch. So as we make our way upstairs, I want to turn around first and mention that all this material is still sitting here waiting to get used. This is the back kick material for our steps to go in the holes there on the inside, which will help reinforce these stairs. Now, once again, honey, what have we done up here?
Up here we have painted the walls.
And I think they came out really nice. That gray really looks good up here. You get some light on this gray, and it has a little bit of a blue hue. I don't know if it's going to show on camera, but
which really makes the ceiling stand out.
it really does. I mean, when you look down the room, it's really nice. And then
one day, a couple weeks ago, I worked very hard, and I put all this flooring down.
I'm pretty sure you weren't home. I'm pretty sure you were out hiking.
I was out hiking. Tony put all this flooring down.
Now, the wood stopped me from going any farther there, but I had to stop here because we started looking at it. Since the stairs are only like 24 inches wide, I don't want to put anything on this side of the stairs because it'll cut out where we have to walk. So I'm going to cut into the floor here and set our handrails for our railing. Backs cut them to the inside here and then cut the flooring out around them. So until I buy those, I can't really finish the flooring. But what that will do also is give us way more strength because it'll have multiple points of contact underneath the floor. And this side is where our bed's gonna be. So we wanna make sure this is nice and strong, but also use as little posting as possible to allow for more room for the bed. That side, it's fine that they're on the outside here, so I could just run the flooring. I really think that the flooring and the walls and everything, when you see it as it comes together as a unit, I think it looks really nice. I definitely think you did a good job choosing the color, honey.
Thank you.
But overall, I think the upstairs are starting to really come together. All right, honey, so we're through this month. I think we did a really good job of getting stuff done, even though we've been busy working. You've been out hiking, we've been doing videos, as well as working on the apartment and across the lane here, trying to clean up stuff, get ready for spring and summer to come, and some crazy weather here in Ohio.
Every day different.
But that said, I think this month we've really made a good jump.
I think we have too.
Now, what are you most excited about doing next?
Oh, the trim work.
That's not what
I'm super excited about.
I'm not
the trim
excited
work upstairs.
at all about that.
It's going to be so pretty.
I'll be excited when the cabinets are done. That's when I'll be excited. But she's got days and days and days and days and days of clear coat coming up, so she has no idea how unfun trim's going to be for her. But with that said, as always, guys, we appreciate you watching. And if you haven't, go down, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see all of our upcoming videos. Make sure you give us a like. Let us know in the comments what you think so far. Let us know what you think of her color choices and how everything comes together. And honey,
we will see you in the next one.
Now, get something done.
I am. I'm going to eat lunch.
Really?